Okay, hi traders. It's been a while since I did a video analysis because I'm rather busy right now with some of my stuff. So I'm sorry about that. Let's start off with a USD yen for next week. Okay, so let's start off on the daily time frame. You will notice that on the USD yen daily time frame is actually still showing a downtrend. Okay, so we are actually still seeing this kind of a move. Okay, so we might be potentially going downwards again. Okay, um, Another thing that I want traders to take note is this triangle that is actually existing right now. Okay, so what I'm expecting, meaning to say this is the MS1 level. Okay, so this is the triangle that I'm talking about, meaning to say we might be seeing something like this. Okay, then a trade upwards or a trade downwards. Okay, so for now, don't worry about this move here. Okay, because we're still quite far away. Most probably USD would be in consolidation because I have told traders many times before that because the election is upcoming, so we might be seeing some sort of consolidation for USD, maybe all the way up to the election phase. Okay, so just take note of it. And so, how are we going to trade for USD yen? Because actually, right now on the daily time frame, if you see on the Friday closing, we have actually this candle right here. Okay, so it's actually rejected off this trend line. Okay, now how I'll be trading this. Most probably you can do a trade if it breaks out this trend line. Okay, you can do something like a trade, something like this. Okay, if the price break out of it, then after that a retest continuation downwards. Okay, so this might be one of the trade that you might be able to take. Okay, do take note that this area here, most of it is just a weak. Okay, so for confirmed definite uh, TP area, you might want to take the body of it, meaning to say something like this. Okay, this might be one of the TP uh, that you might be able to take, which is the 104.481. Okay, so this is one of the trade that I have for USD yen. Um, but do take note of the monthly pivot point because what might happen is it might break the trend line, then it do a deeper correction all the way upwards, then before it starts to sell down again. So do take note of this move also. Do not try and just break the trend line and start trading downwards. It might not happen, but if it does and it breaks the MPP area, that will be the best time to start selling it. Okay, so do take note of how USDN is going to be trading for on the daily time frame. So let's go down to the 4 hourly time frame. Now on the 4 hourly time frame, you'll notice that we are actually having some sort of a we might be possibly looking at a possible HNS. Okay, this is what I think it will happen, but we will have to see whether the market is going to be in this way. Okay, um, this is what I mean by the HNS, meaning to say we might be having something like this, and then towards this area, this is the right shoulder. Then we start a break downwards. Okay, so if you does see this HNS on the H4 and it break out of the neckline, then most probably you don't have to wait for the break of the MPP. We might be able to see a break of neckline continuation downwards. Okay, so to take note how we're gonna trade for USD yen. Okay, I hope you will be able to make some pips out of USD yen, especially when Dixie is actually proven to be rather weak for the last week, and stock is actually going still going up. Not sure if stock's gonna start coming down, but if USD weakness continues and stock starts going down, then we would most probably see USD yen starts to go down even stronger. Okay, so just take note of some of the areas for USD yen. Don't worry about the correlation on the USD Dixie and the stock yet. Just take note of the advice that I give for USD yen, and hopefully you will be able to make some pips out of it. All right, so thank you very much, and I hope you like this video analysis. If you have any comments, do leave it inside the video. I will try my best to answer you, and do follow me on TradingView and like and share this video analysis with some of your friends. All right, so thank you very much.